I'm sorry for laughing. It's not funny.
Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for this food that you blessed us with today. I want to thank you for all the fathers out there, and happy Father's Day to everybody.
Thank you, honey. Amen.
I guess that was a prayer. I don't know.
Can you open this, please? Or are you just gonna rip it open?
I'm gonna try to open it there.
You can squeeze this right here.
I'm fine right now.
It smells seafoody. Hold on, Marshall. Scoop it in some sauce. Mine is spicy.
Mine's good more.
So I told you to dip it in mine. Get your leg out so we can do a thumbnail. Get your leg out so we can do a thumbnail. Oh, that was wrong. It was a green lip. Mushrooms. You like them? Do you?
No. I haven't had the crab roll. I mean, you gonna hear that in the background? You gonna hear that in the background?
Yeah. What is that?
Crab. You like them? You like them?
Sorry, honey.
Like about them.
Huh? It tastes good. It don't taste like fishy. It tastes clean.
What is it? I'll try mine. Does taste good. Does taste good.
You can see behind your head.
Huh? Wasn't it?
The blanket's behind your head.
The blank?
Blanket!
What? I'm sure they're gonna find something to say.
Hmm? They said someone's gonna find something to say.
Don't you think?
Mine's spicy.
Come on.
Mm-mm.
Wow.
You could dig in mine. Mm-mm.
Too spicy? It is. It was really spicy. Mine's just butter.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mine's very horrible. Alright, yeah. You probably like them.
I had sausage earlier.
Oh, me too.
Why would you give me that? Literally ate sausage this morning.
That's a big little crab right there, man.
I'm glad I ask you to help me. Open it.
One thing I wanted to input.
What?
See,
I told you to add it. It doesn't come with potatoes. Huh?
cool.
You didn't add it.
I'm cool with it.
Why that sausage look old? Is it just me? I don't eat that. Why would you even ask for sausage? Boy, we just had it this morning. Go on.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Soda tastes
Can you
terrible.
help me?
Yeah. That's not even a damn king crab.
Dungeness.
Yeah.
You want a leg?
Yeah. It's all me right here. Look like all this one. They're so big. I don't know much of it.